Good day, everyone, and welcome to our project management presentation. My name is Shabina Suhili. For our assigned group research, our team wanted to look at a real-world project that perfectly demonstrate how complex engineering can coexist with nature. That is why we chose to analyze the habitat Penang Hill Langur of Canopy Walk. As many of you might know, this is a premier tourism destination located right here in Penang, Malaysia. What makes this project so remarkable from a structural standpoint is that it is known as the world's longest two-span stress ribbon bridge built entirely within a rainforest environment. The main concept behind the Canopy Walk is to allow visitors to experience the breathtaking beauty of the forest from high above, while fully immersing themselves in the surrounding of nature. This project is about much more than just a great view. It was designed and developed as a major ecotourism initiative to actively promote environmental awareness and sustainable tourism in Malaysia. Beyond just attracting tourism, it plays a massive role in educating the public about rainforest biodiversity and wildlife prevention. From a project management perspective, this initiative highlights the absolute importance of proper planning, strict safety management, and dedicate environmental conservation when developing public infrastructure. In our report, our team analyzed the entire project lifecycle of this building, covering initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. We also evaluate the soft risks the team faced in the rush, terrain, and clever strategies they used to overcome them.
To initiation phase. The Penang Hill Langur Canopy Walk was developed to support ecotourism and environmental awareness. The project aimed to promote sustainable tourism while ensuring the conservation of biodiversity and wildlife on Penang Hill. During this stage, the project goals and feasibility were identified. One of the main goals was to create a safe rainforest canopy walk that allows visitors to experience nature without disturbing the surrounding environment. Several key stakeholders were also identified. This included the Penang Hill Corporation as the project owner and coordinator, environmental experts who provided guidance on conservation, engineers who designed the structures, and tourists and the local community who would benefit from the project. The initial project scope focused on building a safe and accessible canopy walk while preserving the natural rainforest ecosystem. The initiation phase. The Penang Hill Langur Canopy Walk was developed to support ecotourism and environmental awareness. The project aimed to promote sustainable tourism while ensuring the conservation of biodiversity and wildlife on Penang Hill. During this stage, next, we have the planning phase. During this stage, project planners, engineers, and environmental experts work together to prepare the project design, budget, schedule, and safety plans. One important planning activity was the design of the canopy walk. Engineers selected the stress ribbon bridge structure because it provides stability, durability, and safe access while minimizing impact on the rainforest environment. Budget planning included costs for construction materials, labor, safety equipment, environmental studies, and future maintenance. Project timelines and schedules were also prepared to ensure construction activities were organized efficiently and completed on time. In addition, environmental assessments were conducted to identify and reduce risks to the rainforest ecosystem. Safety measures were carefully planned to protect both construction workers and future visitors. Overall, the project scope focused on 4 key areas: ecotourism, biodiversity conservation, visitor experience, and environmental protection. Through proper planning, the project was able to reduce risks and improve its chances and achieving its objectives successfully. Thank you.
The education phase where the project plan becomes reality. For the Langur Canopy Walk, work start with the site preparation, including survey and environmental protection measure to prevent the rainforest ecosystem. Next, construction material equipment were transported to the site despite the challenging terrain. The team then installed the foundation, support structure, and suspension cables, walkway, and wing platforms, and safety barrier. Throughout the process, project manager worked closely with contractor, engineers, and environmental experts to ensure the project was completely safely, efficiently, and according to the plan. The monitoring and controlling phase took place alongside the construction to ensure the project stay on track. Project managers monitor progress and compare it with the project schedule to identify any delays. They also control costs by regularly reviewing project expense and ensure the budget was maintained. Quality inspection were carried out to make sure the canopy walk met the safety and technical standards. In addition, safety and environmental monitoring were conducted to protect workers, wildlife, and rainforest ecosystem throughout the project. The closure phase marked the successful completion of the Langur Way Canopy Walk project. Engineer carried out the final inspection and testing to ensure the structure was safe, stable and met the requirement. After the stakeholder approval, the facility was officially handed over to the management team along with the maintenance and safety documents. The project team also complete all the final review to evaluate performance and record lesson learned. With the all objective achieved, the Langur Way Canopy Walk was officially launched as a new ecotourism attraction at Penang Hill.
Hello, my name is Aisha binti Rizwan Novezi, PB25066. Risk management is an important part of the Langur Way Canopy Walk project to ensure the project is completed successfully while minimizing delay, cost issue and environmental impact. During risk identification, several key risks were found. First, weather in risk. Being in hill forest area, heavy rain and strong wind can delay construction and create unsafe conditions. Second, environmental risk. Construction may disrupt wildlife, especially langurs, and affect nearby vegetation and root system. Third, safety risk. Working at high and uneven terrain increase the risk of accident. Lastly, logistical and financial risk. Transporting materials to the site is difficult and unexpected cost increase may affect the project schedule and budget. After identifying risks, the team assess their impact and apply mitigation strategies. For weather risk, the team monitor forecast closely and adjust schedule to avoid unsafe conditions. For environmental risk, low impact construction method and tree-friendly rigging system were used to protect the ecosystem. For safety risk, workers were equipped with PPE and harness training, support by regular inspection to ensure safely. For logistical and financial risk, contingency plans, supplier coordination and strict budget monitoring were implemented to control delay and cost. Thank you.
To wrap up our presentation, the Langur Way Canopy Walk successfully proved that structured project management can turn a highly complex environmentally sensitive vision into a sustainable reality. By systematically following the project lifecycle from initiation all the way through to the final closing phase, the Habitat Penang Hill Corporation and their engineering team managed to achieve their core goals without destroying the environment. As well detailed in our report, the project's success relied heavily on balancing construction needs with strict compensation. Choosing a stress-driven design was a deliberate, smart choice by engineer because it provides a stable and durable walkway while blending perfectly into nature. Furthermore, during the critical monitoring phase, the team didn't just track budget. They actively protected the ecosystem by enforcing regular safety audits, checking materials quality, and monitoring the construction impact on the local flora and fauna and the dusty leaf langur population. Ultimately, when the closing phase were reached, all final inspection, financial reviews, and handover were complete smoothly. The Langur Way Canopy Walk stands today as highly successful eco-tourism landmark that serves as an exemplary model for future sustainability infrastructure development. Thank you for your time.